Hey again everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to divide rational expressions. And to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at dividing fractions for a moment, just to remind ourselves as to how we do this exactly. So let's say we have something like this, 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 5. So the way that we typically divide fractions like this is we kind of perform a little trick. We turn it from a division question into a multiplication question in order to do it. So the idea is if you know how to multiply fractions, you know how to divide fractions, and this is what we do. What we do is first we recognize or we identify which number we're dividing by, and that's always going to be the second one. The second one we're listing here, the 3 over 5. So we're doing 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 5. So we're dividing by 3 over 5. And here's what we do from there. We're going to turn this into a multiplication problem by taking the reciprocal of the number we're dividing by. So we're going to take the reciprocal of 3 over 5, which of course is just 5 over 3. So this is going to turn from 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 5 into 1 over 2 times 5 over 3. So again, we turn it into a multiplication problem by taking the reciprocal of the number we're dividing by. And again, once you do that, now it's just an easy multiplication problem. So if you know how to multiply fractions, then you know how to divide them. Okay, so from here you would of course multiply the tops. 5 times 1 is 5, 2 times 3 is 6, and you've successfully divided your fractions. So how are we going to use this to help us divide rational expressions? Well, it's going to be the same method. If you know how to multiply rational expressions, you know how to divide rational expressions. Okay, and it's going to be exactly the same method. So let's say I have something like this. So 3x plus 3 over x plus 4 divided by x plus 1 over x plus 4. So I'm dividing these two rational expressions, and to do that I'm going to perform a little trick. We're going to turn it from a division question into a multiplication question by first identifying that we are dividing by x plus 1 over x plus 4, and we're going to take the reciprocal of that. So once we do that, that's going to turn into 3x plus 3 over x plus 4. It's now going to be multiplying instead of dividing, and what we're going to be multiplying by is the reciprocal of x plus 1 over x plus 4, which is x plus 4 over x plus 1. So now we have a multiplying rational expressions question that we've created out of that. Okay? Now I'm not going to show you guys how to do the multiplying the rest of the way. I did make a video on that just before this one, so you can take a look at that. And you can attempt this one if you like. But the idea is if you know how to divide a rational expressions question, if you know how to multiply rational expressions, you can divide. Okay guys? Take care.